In today's mixology video, we're making you a special Valentine's Day love potion so that you can share with your loved one for this upcoming Valentine's Day, featuring Blue Chair Bay banana rum, along with spiking it with some Absolut Vodka, and we're going to throw in some cranberry juice. Be sure to stop down to Glencoe Wine Spirits, where you can pick up that Blue Chair Bay banana rum for $15.99 on sale right now. Feel free to change up the vodka. You can mix it with any other different spirit, with a flavored vodka or a different spirit like a whiskey.